Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Nako speaking. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the fixed range volume profile. Please make sure you subscribe, and as soon as you get this video to 50 likes, I'll be also giving away a PDF explaining the fixed range volume profile, and the link will be dropped down in the description below as soon as this video reaches 50 likes. Okay, so what is the fixed range volume profile? The fixed range volume profile is a charting feature or indicator that displays the amount of traded volume of an asset over a specified time period at various price levels. Okay, this data is displayed as a histogram in a y-axis next to price levels in the volume profile. It is based on previous traded volume, and all strategies and plans are based on historical data. Volume profile are also primarily used to understand supply and demand and overall liquidity. Okay, the fixed range volume profile is located here by the prediction and measurement tools, and as you click on this tab, it's the last one under this tab. Yeah, that's where you locate it. Okay, now going about using the volume profile, you need to first know the properties of it. Okay, the properties of it. The red line here shows us the point of control or the price level with the most volume. Yellow and blue rows shows us the up and down volume for each price level, and the shaded I don't know if you can see it here and here, the shaded blue area shows us the selected volume area that is being shown. Okay, now the rows on applying the volume profile, meaning that before you take your trade, use this as a checklist. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to identify the trend of the market. Then once you have identified the trend of the market, apply the volume profile from the low to the high of the trend, or this can go vice versa, from your high to your low of the trend. Okay, on the candlestick that is selected with the red line here, that will be the point of control, meaning that's where price has the most volume at. Now highlight that candlestick with a rectangle, and that will now be our point of interest. I'll do a few examples later in the video. Okay, another thing that is important, ladies and gentlemen, do not look for buying opportunities on a bearish trend, and do not look for selling opportunities on a bullish trend. So meaning that on a bullish trend, when you apply your volume profile, do not look for selling opportunities, and on a bearish trend, when you apply your volume profile, do not be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, otherwise, that is it for the rows on applying the volume profile. And now let's move on to the markets and show you guys a few examples on how you go about using it. Okay, now let me just remove everything here, remove the drawings, and okay, let's start with USD CAD. Okay, let me just remove everything also here. Okay, let's replay the market at this level here. Okay, as you guys can see here, we have USD CAD on the weekly chart. As you can see, ultimately USD CAD has been in a bullish trend, as it has been creating higher highs and respecting higher lows, creating higher highs and respecting higher lows, and creating higher highs, meaning that now we're in a confirmed bullish trend and we can start looking for our buying opportunities. Moving on to the daily chart, we can see here we have this low here and this high here. So now going about using our volume profile, you can select it here under your prediction and measurement tools, select it and apply it on your low to your high. Okay, and now move on to select your rectangle and highlight the candlestick that is selected by the red line. And since we're in a bullish trend, that rectangle is going to be our demand level. Okay, so now we're going to we will be expecting the market to tap into our demand level and push into the upside, violating our previous high, which will be our take profit. Take profits, and our stop losses will be just below our demand level right here. Okay, so now let's play the market and see what it gives us. Okay, as you can see, there are the market has tapped into our demand level and has pushed to the upside, violating our take profit. Okay, so let's move to another example. Let's move to GBP USD. Okay, let me just remove everything here. Okay, as you can see here, we have GBP USD on the daily time frame. So I'm just going to replay the markets from here, and then now ultimately, as you can see here, GBP USD has been creating lower lows and respecting lower highs, creating lower lows and respecting lower highs, creating lower lows, respecting lower highs, and now it's at its all-time low. Okay, so now we know that GBP USD is on a bearish trend, and now we can look for our selling opportunities. Okay, so how do we go about that? Select your volume profile here, apply it on your high and apply it on your low. Since we're in a bearish trend, we're looking for selling opportunities. Okay, now you go about and select your rectangle and highlight the candlestick that is selected by the red line, and that rectangle will be our supply area level. Okay, so now we'll be expecting the market to tap into our supply area and push into the downside, violating our previous low, which is our take profit. Okay, take profit. Okay, so now let's see what the market gives us. As you can see there, the price taps into our supply area and pushes to the downside, violating our take profit. Okay, one last more example with Euro USD. Okay, now ultimately, let me just replay the market to this area here. Okay, ultimately we can see that Euro USD has been also creating lower lows, and respecting lower highs, creating lower lows, respecting lower highs, and now it's at its low. Okay, so now we know that Euro USD is on a bearish trend, so we can look for our selling opportunities. Okay, now we go and select our volume profile. We select it, we apply it on our high here and to our low. So as you can see here, the volume profile shows our point of control and the selected candlestick here. Now we go and select our rectangle and highlight that candlestick that is selected by the red line, and that will be our supply level. Okay, so now we look forward for the market to tap into our supply area and push into the downside, violating this low here, which is going to be our take profit. Okay, Now let's see what the market does. Price pushes to the downside, consolidating, and price pushes to the upside, mitigating our supply area there and missing our stop loss with a few pips. Okay, so now let me just zoom out for a clearer view. Okay, price pushes to the downside and violating our take profit. Okay, so that's it for how to use the volume profile and how to go about applying it on your market. Okay, so that's it for the video. Please do follow me on Instagram. I post smart money educational content, and do check out this smart money educational content, and also do check out our free Telegram channel here, as we share daily analysis and signals. Just wait for it to load. Join group, join channel. Okay, as you can see here, we share analysis in our free group, and yeah, and as you can see here, our VIP members ate today with a US 100 signal sent by Tumelo JPY. Please do check out his channel. He sent this what you call US 100 signal and a US 30 signal here. As you can see, this was our re-entry, our initial entry, and this was our initial re-entry. And as you can see here, US 100 was chopped too, and German 30 was missed with a few pips. Okay, so if you have reached this far of the video, please let me know down in the comment section what kind of videos you would like to see, and please do comment how was the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a video. Peace.